مدارس الطالب الذكي. القرآن حياتنا نحو جيل إسلامي أمثل.
Hello kids, how are you today? Today we will discuss about lesson 5 in unit 7, which is all about materials. What can you say about materials? Okay, when we say materials, these are things we used, right? Now, we will discuss the three kinds or the three types of materials that we are using in our cloth, okay? Or the materials that we use for our clothes. The first one is the cotton. This cotton comes from plants, and you can wear cotton shirts and t-shirts. Do you have a shirt? Can you touch it? Is it cool? Yes, it is. Is it soft? Yes, it is. If it's cool and soft, the material that they used is the cotton. The next material is the leather. Again, leather. Okay, this leather comes from cows, and you can wear leather shoes and jackets. Yes, this leather material comes from the skin of the animal, specifically cows. Okay. If it is strong, the material of your clothes or your shoes is a leather. The third one is wool. Everybody say wool. Okay. This wool comes from the sheep, and you can wear woolen sweaters and socks. Okay, the same with the leather. This wool comes from the body of the animal. And most especially, this woolen materials or wool is used for sweaters and socks. Why? Because it gives warm feeling. Warm feeling. As you notice, as you can see, those winter sweaters or winter coat and socks, mittens, they are made of wool because it gives warm to our body. I will discuss to you one by one, and I will give you examples of every material. This is what we call cotton, and these are the examples of the things that made of cotton. As you can see, these are all soft and cool. Can you think of an example of a thing or a clothes that is made of cotton? Okay. You can write it down on your paper. The next one is the leather. Say leather. Here, as you can see, there is a cow because the leather came or comes from the skin of the cow, and it gives the strong material. Look, as you can see, we have here leather jacket, leather bag, belt, and leather shoes. Can you think of something that is made of leather? Write it down. The next one is wool. Everybody say wool. Okay. Wool comes from the body of the sheep. Look, these are what we call wool. And these are the examples of things that made of wool. We have their winter sweater, this one, the mitten, socks, and scarf. Okay, most of the time we use this material for the winter clothes because it gives warm feeling. Can you think of something that is made of wool? Okay, you can write it down on your paper. As a revision, these are the three materials that we are using to make our clothes. First is cotton, wool, and leather. Goodbye, kids. Thank you for listening and see you to our next video. Keep safe, everyone.